Today I'm going to tell you how to create an Apple ID in 2025 using two simple methods. The first method is during the setup of your new Apple device. When you reach the Apple ID screen, tap on Forgotten Password or Don't Have an Apple Account, and then select Create a Free Apple Account. Enter your birthday, name and tap Continue. Now provide an email address that will be used as your Apple ID or tap Don't Have an Email Address to get a free iCloud email. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your email, create a strong password, select your country or region, and enable two-factor authentication. Once your email is verified, your Apple ID is ready, and you can start using services like the App Store and iCloud. You might also be asked for your phone number or payment method during this process, but you won't be charged until you actually make a purchase. The second method is through the App Store. Open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad and tap the profile icon at the top right. Then tap on Create New Apple Account. If you don't see this option, make sure you're signed out of iCloud. Enter your email, create a strong password, choose your region, and add your billing information. You can select None if you don't want to add a payment method yet. Confirm your phone number to help with account recovery. Finally, check your inbox for a verification email from Apple and follow the link to verify your email address. After that, your Apple ID will be ready to use for downloading apps, backing up data to iCloud, and accessing all Apple services.